Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to harvest your dill plants so that they can keep growing. Here's a clip from the show. And then next is our dill. I do want to harvest some of our dill, so I got this plant here to show you what we're going to do. So we got the crown is right here, and we're going to let that continue to grow. And I want to break off these branches from around the outside. And we got random dill throughout the garden. We'll just go and get some dill from all the different plants. And we can do that. And there's our dill harvest from this plant. And then we just let the rest of this grow. So this will continue to grow and make some of these beautiful fronds for us. This you can eat fresh, you can dry it, or you can take it and chop it up and throw it in some ice cube trays with some water and freeze it. And then you can have it to drop in soups and things later in the season from a frozen state. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 9. If you'd like to watch the whole High Performance Garden Show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.